Sweetie, where you taking so long? I could see you through the thing, you know. That's why I blow. I could see you have him there.
You could see me there?
Yeah, I could see you take him up. That's why I blow and ask if you're not ready. Because I don't know why you're taking so long.
You couldn't have seen me.
Of course I see.
You know,
That's
in the
why I
morning
blow.
I slept so long, and then by the time I could wake up, Amesh was sleeping round too. So I had to I was missing him.
So you don't see him every day, so you're gonna miss him and you have him every day.
You know, our mother's love is different. It's not like fatherly love. I noticed even when you were in Zanzibar, I couldn't eat when I've not spoken to them.
Yeah, family, peace and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and today we're gonna go to the market. We go to the market like once a week, right?
Yeah.
I just wanna
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Last time we went was on Monday.
I feel like we've disrupted the time zone. Because normally we go every Friday.
No, it was every Monday. Every Monday.
Oh yeah, every Monday.
Yeah.
But this time around we finished the things quick.
Everything's finished, family. So as you know, guys, with Jam Tours and Vegan Choice Foods, we try to shop at the local market for fruits and natural food. We don't really buy nothing from the supermarket, and we still have to go to the supermarket every day, every other day. We'll still have to go to get greens and to get stuff.
Yeah, because those are things you have to get every day.
So those are the things we eat every day. Greens is a part of the diet. So family, so we're gonna take you guys with you. We're gonna go to this market called Parklands, right?
It's called City Park.
City Park
in Parkland.
In Parkland. So that's where everybody would go. For person who have the restaurant, they will go there to buy their produce to cook them food.
Most Indians.
Mostly it's an Indian spot. Yeah. But I really don't see a lot of Indian. I see Chinese and stuff, a lot of people who have restaurants. That's where they go and buy the thing in wholesale. So that's where we're gonna go, family. We're gonna show you the environment, what it's like and what you can get and stuff. So just continue watching the vlog, like, share and comment. Let us know your thoughts. We are in Kenya. We're gonna show you as much as possible live footage. You miss. You don't have another baby in the stomach for you to miss. You have to let go now.
Of Amesh?
Amesh was my people, let's say first love is the deepest.
Is my first love.
If you're a firstborn, I'm sure your parents maybe have special love. I'm sure they love
firstborn. Actually, this is the time I don't have other children, so I'll see. But I hear people say no, lastborns are loved more, I think.
Well, honestly, feel like I can love my children equal.
Me too.
But
it's just because now.
But I think mothers have a special love.
For first.
But maybe a father can maybe love all the kids equal.
You can have your second born as your.
Because even I say I would adopt child, and you're not into that. You're not into adoption.
No.
So you see the difference, family. So guys, it's just a man prerogative and a woman prerogative. Anyway, guys, let's go. Yeah, family. So we're actually at the market. Yeah, I think I'm fine.
My hair is shining.
Yeah, family. So we just reached at the market, and today, guys, I want to give you a vlog of the market. So we try to get one of these. See a guy here. So this guy, sweetie, this guy. Ask him how much. Eh?
200.
Okay. Yeah, family. So when you come to the market, you get these guys to actually pick your things. So normally, guys, I normally carry my stuff, but because today I want to give you a vlog of the market, actually I want one of these guys to carry the thing for us. Let's pick one and go quick and fast. Anyway, I'll get the fruits. Mangoes, nice mangoes and stuff. Watermelon, nice. Papaya, cantaloupe, tree tomato, pomegranate, orange, pumpkin, purple, onion. This is tomatoes. So you like big banana, right? It's a nice big banana. Yeah. We have some papaya. Papaya look nice too. Oh, this one look nice. Nice big one. Papaya. So we're gonna get some mangoes. This is a thing called macadamia.
Macadamia.
So do you want to try the apple this time? Apples. Nice watermelon. Big. So you want to try some of this one? Yeah, I wanna try this. It's nice flavor. This is same like similar to Julie mango in Jamaica. Similar to Julie. Papaya over here, sweetie. Nice. Yeah. What I'm selling?
150 a kilo.
150 a kilo. Okay. Alright. Our first stop. Our guys there to collect. So you priced this already, right? Why? Well, so we use a lot of mangoes, and you know, as you know, Amish drink the mangoes in the morning, so we really need the mangoes.
And it's good we found the mangoes like when they're just fresh.
Yeah, very fresh. Yeah. Smell some nice papaya around this food. I want to take off one. Yeah, you can. Let's take off the small one and then, because now we can use it more than once anyway. The watermelon.
The watermelon?
So this guy get crowded. That's how you go with it. Yeah. Like the green apple. So you could mix it.
I do one green too, or two green.
Which one you like? I like the red one. You can take anyone you want to take, it's fine. Nice red one like that one. Tell him, sweetie, nice.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
They have some nice lime there. Lime, sweet. Ask her about the lime. You sell the lime?
Yeah, 50 kilo.
Yeah, let me have a kilo. Nice line. Very nice. Ready. How about this avocado? Coconut. Where you sell a coconut? Oh, how much? For one? Okay. Oh.
These ones are like ready.
Yeah, these are. We take some try this green one.
Yeah.
I wonder if they will.
She's
Nice.
saying they will. They look nice.
Yeah.
So let's do this. 6 pieces. Three, right?
Yeah.
Right? Or I do 7. 3.
Yeah, three
Three is
each.
fine.
Yeah, 3 is fine. Yeah.
Okay, this place is warm.
Yeah.
Nadhani nimefanya mathematics vizuri.
Yeah, we get the cantaloupe. I'm selling.
Let's hear.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we're actually in the market. So we're just gonna go this side and go down, right?
These tomatoes look nice.
Yeah, man, I like how they're small. Like
Yeah.
I'm selling very reasonable. Yeah. So these tomatoes look nice, family.
And then you'll use like, you know.
I like how they're red. It's very red. Yeah, the small tomato is the best tomato. When I was growing up in Jamaica, the small one them that grow wild.
Yeah.
That's the one we used to pluck and use.
Yeah. I don't think we want to see. I think this nice one is so nice.
See this, so where we're going now? We're going up that way and then go around that side, right?
We're going to look for
Okay.
what?
Coconut, what
I
else?
wanted to say coconut.
Yeah?
Coconut
Yeah.
and onion.
Yeah, again, that's it. Oh no, we have a spot. Okay. You found that this is tamarind. Tamarind. Some tamarind. Give me that. Give me the other one there. That one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Take that one instead. There's a little thing there. I'll take this one. Spicy. Oh, guy. Hey, boss, what's up?
Yes?
Yeah, man.
Sauce.
Yeah, no sauce up today.
No. Only golden apple. You need some?
Huh?
Golden apple.
Let me have a bundle of the jackfruit.
How many packs?
Just one pack is fine. A nice pack. This is fine. It's jackfruit. No. Eh? Greens. What she have?
Hello?
This is some common fowl egg. In Jamaica we say common fowl egg. In Kenya they say it's clenase egg. I guess we could buy these greens today instead of going to quick mart.
Yeah.
Give me 100 to give this guy. 100.
Okay, I be like, don't you have.
Right. I'm sure you know to pack them, CD. I don't know, buckle already. Yeah, man. Jelly, coconut. Bring the buckle, see it there. Yep. How much?
Unajua ina pesa ngapi?
Hii ni 400.
Hii ni 400. Na hii ni 1 liter. This is 1.5.
Okay.
Say na liter is
450.
450. Yeah, family, this is where you're going to get your fresh jelly coconut. I want to have meat. Ask me if they have meat.
kuna ile nini ndani? Meat.
Vitaka nitakuwekea naye.
You say me I want to get.
Okay, then I want the meat.
Tunataka. That's it. Potato that's fresh.
We have so much I didn't have to eat at home.
I don't want to there.
Knife off is sharp. In Jamaica, we don't cut it like that.
They cut like choo.
Let me have 2 to drink.
Okay.
Yeah, family, so we just have to get a sample of jar water. We have these things, right?
Yes, good.
It's alright, you know, I don't want straw. You can drink with straw. So I want the natural feeling of the jelly in my mouth. I'm giving us nice jelly, man. Nice. Fresh. Fresh jelly coconut. Yeah. Okay. Wow, it's nice. You want one?
Yes.
Let me have one. Wow. So refreshing. Cold, like it was in the fridge.
I'm not going to be sure.
Yeah, a lot of water. We get the meat, we get the jam meat from this. Yeah, family, so we're just waiting for the meat. This is how you cut the meat. In Jamaica, we cut the jelly in half. Yeah, just cut the top and just run it around. Yeah, so the meat is very nice, as you can see, family. Jelly meat, all the meat we eat is jelly meat.
I had that guy from Jamaica saying when he was starting from Marvel, said jelly meat is very good.
You said that?
Yes,
Right.
for real.
Teeth my style.
Wait there. Stop your style.
Yeah, that was just something you come up with. It's a rhyme together, so you just say it. Yeah, family, so this is how the meat is buckled up.
Clean. Clean and neat.
This is how the meat is buckled up, family, as you can see. Very nice. Yeah, family, this is the jelly meat.
It doesn't drop ones like that too.
Jelly
Yeah,
meat.
that's tea, yeah.
So we're gonna go now, right? The finish?
Yeah.
Get everything. Everything with
Yeah, we're done.
60 US. That's all we get with 60 US.
And it still remains unchanged.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Follow. Yeah, family. So we finished shopping, and you know, it seems like the money couldn't done, family. We finished shopping at the market, and as you can see, the amount of stuff we get for like 7,000 Kenyan shillings. It was like respect. That's with all the cameras.
Alright. Oh, it's open. Alright. I don't know whether I should carry the eggs. They don't go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, families, let us know, guys, if you like this vlog. Like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know your thoughts. Remain changed with yeah, family. So we finished with the market. We're gonna head on to Kafo in Two Rivers Mall to finish up this vlog, family. But guys, I'm surprised. You know, 7K is how much USD? Like 650.
Oh, 8.
No, it was 7.
It was 7,000.
7,000.
That is like
Maybe 55 US there
55
about.
US there about.
Yeah, family, that's to get with 55 US in the market, and we still
It's a
have
lot
change.
of things.
Change. Yeah, family, let's head
I
on.
have enough for parking, I guess.
Parking is 100 shillings.
Actually,
Yeah, guys, so continue like the vlog and let us know your thoughts.
like
Kenya is the
17
place
US.
to be. Pick your ticket for your parking. Yeah, family, so as I said before, we're gonna actually end this vlog with Two Rivers Mall in Kafo.
Today's shopping day.
It's shopping day. We're just going to pick a few things, but this is what Kafo look like, family. Two Rivers Mall. This is like the other entrance, and Lumuru.
Yeah,
This is Lumuru entrance,
Road, yeah.
and you have
Northern bypass.
Northern bypass entrance, family. So, you know what I mean, I'm just gonna go to my regular we'll go to my regular parking spot,
Yeah.
and we're just gonna run into Kafo, pick a few things, and end this vlog for today, family. Yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Two Rivers Mall in the daytime. The last time I showed you in the nighttime. Sorry, but today I'm gonna show you in the what it's like in the daytime. That's the big idea. It's not moving. Seems like no one is inside.
Bigger, yeah.
Yeah.
But when you go, it will start moving.
Yeah,
One of these days, I should bring her mesh there.
to the big eye.
Into the big.
I'm gonna try and get this bump right.
Please do.
Boom.
You didn't get it.
Boom. Let's go around and then park.
Right.
This man is like that.
He's a blood clot. He wants to die.
Yeah, family, this is the car park. So I'm just gonna find a parking and let's go to Kafo Two Rivers Mall. Because we can hang it out. It's dark. Yeah, family, so we're actually inside Two Rivers Mall. I want to take a piss, so I have to run to the restroom. Let's go. Let's rock on and hunt that restroom. Yeah, family, but this is Two Rivers Mall. Two Rivers Mall, make your ball. Yeah, family. So we just finished with Kafo, and you know, finished with this vlog for today. Just a shopping day vlog today. I hope you enjoy it, and I want you to like, share, and comment on the video. You know, we do this just for you. So when you come to Kenya, you know where to find what and what to find what at a cheap and where to find where cheap and an affordable price, family. So we just actually, you know, going home now, and we just want to end this vlog here, and we just want to remind you to subscribe and share this video. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Any last words, Miss Jam Tours? Eh? Any last words?
Yes, like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, let us know your thoughts. We are out. One love, Jamaica. Before I go, family, I want to show you this traditional thing. Let me show you this traditional thing. I like this one right here.
Donuts. Which one?
This one is very nice right
Which
here.
one?
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, I just want to show you this traditional thing before I end this vlog. Look at this bag right here. It's nice. And the skirt, guys. So like, share, and comment. This is Ankeru, Jam Tours Africa. They're out.